playing cards right over here, and I can give the deck a cut, and as you can see that the cards are in random order, as you can see. So as you can see, I've got 2 cards right over here, and these are none other than the 2 jokers, as you can see. So these are just normal jokers, as you can see, and I'm just gonna take the jokers right over here, and they're gonna help us out later on in this trick. So I'm just gonna keep them right over there, right where I found. Alright, so now I'm gonna have you choose any card from the deck. So I'm gonna make this really random. So first of all, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna have you choose any number between, let's say, 10 and 20. So let's say I expected to name the number 18. So I'm gonna just give the deck one last cut, and I'm gonna lead down 18 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. This is the 18th card, and right now I just want to make it more random. So I'm gonna add up the 2 values. So it's 1 and 8. I'm gonna add them to make it 9, and I'm gonna deal down more 9 cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So now I'm gonna show you the 9th card, and I'm not gonna see it. So just see the card right now. Alright, so I hope that you have seen your card, and I'm just gonna get that lost in the center of the deck, like so. Alright, now at this point I'm just gonna guess your card. So let me see. I think your card is a black card, and I think it's the Ace of Spades, right? Alright, so now I know you're surprised, but actually it's not over yet. So watch, if I just spell out Ace of Spades, so A-C-E, and I'm gonna spell off because it's irrelevant, so I'm gonna just put Ace and then Spades. So Ace and S-P-A-D-E-S, and the next card down is the Ace of Spades. But it's not over yet. As you can see that we have here the other 3 aces. Not only is that amazing, but over here we have all the spades, as you can see. And the trick isn't over yet because every trick is incomplete without a royal flush. And as you can see that we have here a royal flush in spades. And I know what you're thinking now. We have the 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 and the 7 of spades, but 8 and the 9 are missing, right? And that's why I picked the jokers, because they're gonna help us out with this trick. And as you can see that they have changed into the other 2 spades. So guys, that's the amazing trick, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, then please comment down below if you want to learn how to do this trick, and please drop a like on this video, and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys on my next video. Goodbye.